Hello everybody, welcome back to your channel. HD Interiors. A luxury bathroom is more than just a functional space. It is a place where comfort, elegance, and thoughtful design come together to create a relaxing everyday experience. From beautiful materials and sophisticated finishes to spa-inspired features and carefully selected details, modern luxury bathrooms are designed to feel both inviting and refined. In this video, explore inspiring bathroom design ideas that combine style, functionality, and timeless appeal. Discover stunning bathtubs, elegant walk-in showers, premium materials, sophisticated lighting, smart storage solutions, and decorative elements that elevate the entire space. Whether planning a complete renovation or simply looking for fresh inspiration, these ideas can help transform any bathroom into a beautiful personal retreat. One of the most effective ways to create a luxurious bathroom is by making the bathtub the centerpiece of the space. A beautifully designed bathtub instantly draws attention and establishes a sense of comfort and relaxation. Freestanding tubs are especially popular for their sculptural appearance, allowing them to function as both a practical feature and a statement piece. Curved silhouettes, clean lines, and elegant proportions can add a sophisticated touch while maintaining a timeless look. Positioning the bathtub in an open area helps emphasize its design and creates a stronger visual impact. When paired with large windows, natural light, or a carefully designed feature wall, the result is a space that feels calm, refined, and welcoming. Simple surrounding decor, high-quality finishes, and thoughtful placement allow the bathtub to remain the focal point while contributing to an overall atmosphere of luxury and serenity. The materials chosen for a bathroom play a major role in defining its overall character and level of luxury. High-end spaces often feature a careful mix of textures and finishes that create visual depth while maintaining a cohesive and elegant appearance. Natural stone surfaces, marble-inspired designs, and large-format tiles are frequently used to introduce a sense of sophistication and permanence. Wall and floor treatments can dramatically influence the atmosphere of the room. Seamless surfaces and continuous patterns help create a clean, expansive look, while textured finishes add subtle interest and dimension. Wood-inspired elements can also introduce warmth, balancing the sleekness of stone and tile for a more inviting environment. Equally important are the finishing details. Faucets, shower fixtures, cabinet hardware, and accessories may seem like small additions, but they have a significant impact on the overall design. Finishes such as brushed gold, matte black, polished chrome, and brushed nickel can enhance the aesthetic while complementing the chosen materials throughout the space. When premium materials and carefully selected finishes work together, they create a bathroom that feels polished, elegant, and designed to stand the test of time. Walk-in showers have become a defining feature of modern luxury bathrooms, offering both visual openness and a spa-like bathing experience. Their seamless design helps eliminate visual barriers, making the entire space feel larger, cleaner, and more connected. Frameless glass enclosures are often used to maintain an uninterrupted flow within the room, allowing the tile work and interior details to remain fully visible. Inside the shower, rainfall shower heads create a soft, immersive water experience, while handheld systems add flexibility and convenience for everyday use. Built-in wall niches provide practical storage without disrupting the design, keeping essentials neatly organized and within easy reach. Linear floor drains and continuous tile layouts further enhance the minimalist look, ensuring that every detail contributes to a smooth and refined finish. When thoughtfully designed, a walk-in shower becomes more than just a functional area. It transforms into a calming retreat that reflects the comfort and luxury of a spa environment. A well-designed vanity is both a functional centerpiece and a key visual element in a luxury bathroom. It sets the tone for daily routines while contributing to the overall balance and harmony of the space. Floating vanities are often used to create a light, open feel, making the room appear more spacious and refined. Natural wood finishes, smooth stone countertops, and handle-free cabinetry are commonly combined to achieve a clean and elegant look. Double sink layouts add practicality without compromising style, especially in shared spaces where comfort and efficiency are important. Beyond appearance, storage plays a crucial role in maintaining a clutter-free environment. Custom drawers, hidden compartments, and built-in organizers help keep everyday items neatly arranged while preserving the simplicity of the design. Soft close mechanisms and seamless detailing further enhance the sense of quality and craftsmanship. When vanity design and storage solutions are carefully integrated, the result is a bathroom that feels organized, polished, and effortlessly luxurious. Lighting is one of the most powerful elements in a luxury bathroom, shaping both the mood and the functionality of the space. A well-balanced lighting design goes beyond a single source and instead combines multiple layers that work together to create depth, clarity, and atmosphere. Task lighting is essential around the vanity area, where illuminated mirrors or wall sconces provide clear, even brightness for daily routines. This helps reduce shadows and ensures a practical, comfortable experience. Ambient lighting adds overall softness to the room, often achieved through recessed ceiling fixtures or concealed light strips that create a calm and inviting glow. Accent lighting can also be introduced to highlight architectural details, textured walls, or design features, adding subtle visual interest without overwhelming the space. When these layers are thoughtfully combined, the bathroom transforms throughout the day, shifting effortlessly between bright functionality and a warm, relaxing atmosphere. In luxury bathroom design, it is often the smallest details that create the strongest impression. These finishing touches help bring personality, warmth, and refinement into the space, turning a well-designed bathroom into something truly memorable. Oversized mirrors can enhance both light and space, making the room feel brighter and more open. Carefully selected fixtures, such as sculptural faucets and elegant handles, add a subtle sense of craftsmanship that elevates the overall design. Decorative accessories also play an important role. Simple additions like neatly arranged towels, refined trays, and minimal styling elements contribute to a sense of order and sophistication without creating visual clutter. Natural elements such as indoor plants can introduce freshness and balance, softening the clean architectural lines often found in modern bathrooms. When these details are thoughtfully curated, they create a cohesive environment where every element feels intentional, balanced, and beautifully connected. A cohesive color palette is essential in creating a luxury bathroom that feels calm, balanced, and visually harmonious. The most timeless designs often rely on soft, neutral tones that promote a sense of relaxation while allowing materials and textures to stand out naturally. Light whites, warm beiges, and gentle gray shades form a strong foundation for elegant interiors. These tones can be paired with natural wood accents or stone textures to add depth without overwhelming the space. For a more dramatic yet still refined look, deeper contrasts such as charcoal, matte black, or muted earth tones can be introduced in controlled accents. Consistency across surfaces, fixtures, and decor helps maintain visual flow, ensuring that no single element feels disconnected from the overall design. When color choices are carefully balanced, the bathroom becomes a peaceful environment that feels unified, inviting, and effortlessly sophisticated. Modern luxury bathroom design is all about creating a space that feels both functional and deeply relaxing. When carefully chosen materials, thoughtful lighting, elegant fixtures, and refined details come together, the result is a bathroom that feels like a private retreat rather than just a utility space. Each idea shared in this video shows how small design decisions can transform the overall atmosphere, making the space more comfortable, stylish, and timeless in appeal. Whether it is through a statement bathtub, a walk-in shower, or a well-balanced color palette, every element plays a role in shaping the final experience. If you found inspiration in these ideas, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to HD Interiors, and stay connected for more interior design inspiration that helps elevate everyday living spaces.